Hello guys, nakita ko tong problem na to, subukan nating solve. Pinapahanap lang po dito ang ating area ng figure. So dalawang figure yan na magkasama, isang right triangle at isang semicircle. In this case, kailangan natin kunin ang area ni triangle at area ni semicircle. Ipag-add lang natin, din yun ang magiging area ng figure. So for the triangle, base times height over 2, that's 4 times 3 over 2, that will give us 12 divided by 2, 6 units squared. That's the area of unit. Sa semicircle naman tayo, para makuha ang area ni semicircle, kailangan lang natin sundin ang formula na pi radius squared. Dahil semicircle lang siya, i-divide natin siya by 2 dahil kalahati lang yan ng circle. So that's 3.14. Wala tayong radius, kailangan natin isolve si radius. Dahil hindi siya given, kailangan natin siyang hanapin. In this case, kaparehas lang siya ng measurement ni hypotenuse. Gagamitan natin siya ng Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. 4 squared plus 3 squared, that's 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 25, C equals 5. So, i-transpose na natin. So, diameter natin ngayon ay 5 dahil equal siya kay hypotenuse. Kalahati is 2.5, that is the radius. So, 2.5 squared divided by 2. 3.14 times 2.5 squared over 2 is 9.8 units squared. Yan po ang area ni semicircle. Ipag-add lang natin yung dalawa para makuha yung total area. 6 units squared plus 9.8 units squared. Ang makukuha natin 15.8 units.